Good morning, grade 9s. Today we're starting a new section. It's algebraic expressions part 2. Okay, so we're going to start with factors. Okay, now we've already done this before. So let's have a look. What are the factors of 6, for example? So now we are looking for which numbers can go into 6, in other words, divide into 6 without leaving a remainder. So we could say 1, 2, 3, and 6. Those are the factors of 6, for example. Let's write the factors of 8. Would be 1, 2, 3 we cannot do because 8 divided by 3 is going to leave a remainder. What about 4 and 8 itself? Okay, so we've done that lots and lots of times. But now what we need to know is we're going to add some variables to the whole expression. So let's have a look here. If we take 5x squared y. Okay, so we know that 5x squared y is the same as saying 5 times x times x times y. Okay, so therefore the factors would be, now we have to look at the 5. What are the factors of 5? It's 1, 5, okay, and then we can have, okay, let's just make this a nice, that you see that that is times. Let's maybe put that in a color so that you can see. That's times, that's times, that's times. Okay, and the others are 5 times x times x times y. So we could then say, what about just 5x is a factor? We could say xy is a factor. We could say x squared is a factor. We could even say x squared y is a factor, or even 5x squared and maybe even 5y. Okay, those are all factors of that. Okay, let's try another one. What about 2xy? What are the factors? Okay, 1, 2, 2x, 2y, xy. Those are all factors that can go into that without leaving a remainder. So now, for your homework, what I want you to do is I'm going to give you some where you've got to figure out if the number fits into it. So if I was to give you an example of what you would get for homework, I'm going to say, for example, let's see, what about, is 3x cubed a factor of 6x to the power of 4? Okay, so now you're going to have a look here. What is 6x to the power of 4? Okay, first of all, let's look at the numbers first. Can 3 go into 6? Yes, it can. Okay, so 3 will work. Can x cubed go into x4? Now, remember, x4 is the same as saying x times x times x times x. Okay, the dots mean multiplication. So we're asking, can 3 of them go into there? Yes, it can. Okay, because there's 4, so 3 will definitely be able to go. Okay, let's try another one. Is 9a squared b a factor of 18a squared b squared? So first we look at the number. Can 18 divide by 9 without a remainder? Yes. Okay, now you've got a times b times b. Will a squared fit in there? Yes, definitely. Will b fit in there? Yes, definitely. Okay, so I'm going to give you homework, It's exercise 18.1 on page 235, and I want you to do number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Okay,